Are we live? How we doing? Already 6 people in here, 2 likes. Amazing. Amazing. But Jocko, to answer your question, I think we're going to sell today. But again, I mean, that doesn't mean price is necessarily going to sell off today. But I think it's looking a little bit better than buys. What's up, Muhammad? Ready for the giveaway? Yes, sir. So here's the thing with the giveaway, guys. If you guys look at the top of the chat, and obviously I'm going to let a couple people phone on here, and I'll kind of mention this a couple times. If my account on Instagram gets to 9K, which it's very, very close, I will be doing the giveaway. So again, let's let some people get in here. Everything's good, right? You guys can hear me, see me. We're chilling. Think we're straight. What's up? What's up? 16 people in here. Perfect. Again, I'm gonna let there like 20 people. Wait for 20 people. We'll start talking. Start going over the analysis. See from there. What's up though? How you guys been? You guys ready? Again, beautiful day yesterday. Sells, yes, through. Sells are looking beautiful, guys. We'll go over it now, but like I said, you guys know it's a funded giveaway stream, but you guys got to give me to 9,000 followers on Instagram. So just gonna plug off the rip again after the trade, after everything. Right before I end, we'll kind of go over it again. But go follow my Instagram. If we get to 9K, we'll do a giveaway. If not, we won't. Simple as that. But 9K, I mean, it'll happen, guys. I know it. So, and then 10K after that. I gotta do something big for 10K. I don't know what to do. Luca said I gotta do something cool. You guys give me ideas. Obviously some type of giveaway, maybe with accounts, but I also like want to do something, maybe a video, certain type of video. We'll see. We'll see. So, but 9K, guys. We're 12 away. We'll see what happens. But let's get into this breakdown, right? Gonna go over UK100 first, just because I like UK100 a little bit more. Let's go to the hourly, or let's start at the daily. One, look at yesterday's. Yesterday, that top wick is insane. That is telling me that price most likely will continue bearish. We're getting that top wick right now, which I do like seeing price create a top wick before we sell off. And then if we go down to lower time frames, we're just really seeing sells all around. I mean, the one thing that is kind of iffy is the fact that we are sitting within this bullish internal leg. But if we look to the left, we can see that we're actually just facilitating that pullback of that previous bearish leg. And we should continue to sell off into these lows down here. So we could see that tonight. And again, all I'm going to do is just play simple breaks out, or simple breakouts during London. And again, you guys know I'm just not going based off that. But we have like already seeing a beautiful area here. One, if we break this area during open, I'm definitely during or after open, I'm definitely shooting into Asia lows here. Again, I might take out at 101, may move to break even at 101. Get a Lexus LS 400 cuz for 10K is crazy. Imagine. I don't know. Like I like Lexus and then I don't. I don't know. I don't know if I could ever get one. But let's go to JER or DAX again. Same analysis, same bias. It's looking better as far as the higher time frames. If we look at the daily, we're again seeing a pretty good top wick. Not only that, we have a lot of imbalance sitting down here, which I can expect price to possibly sell into and facilitate some of that. The 4 hour, again, we're looking like we're rejecting this area, or at least creating a lot of top wicks, which is a good sign for sells. Again, we're just going to keep going down into time frames. 1 hour is looking all right, but when we come down into the lower 15 and 5 minute, this is where it's looking okay, just because on UK100 you guys saw that we did not sweep Asia lows. DAX we did. We swept Asia lows and we went and manipulated the highs. Again, we tend to see that a lot, but that does not mean price can't sell off. I'd probably be a little bit more comfortable when it comes to, like, if I do end up entering UK100, if I do get entry. As far as this setup here, I have a feeling price is going to end up breaking this area of support pre-market, which will then cause me to have to take like a break of this area, which again, there's nothing wrong with that. If UK100 selling, you guys saw yesterday where UK100 sold off, we got in here and we got in DAX. Why? Because majority of the time they're going to move in the same direction. Again, there's that little bit of time, or there's a couple times where it won't, but you know, we can usually say that it will. So I'd probably even wait for this zone either way. I mean, you could take a break of this area, but I just think price is going to end up selling pre-market and taking that out. So overall, sales looking good, honestly. Sales looking good for 101. I doubt I'll enter DAX unless it's just like overwhelmingly bearish and I really should get in. I've already secured on UK 100, but you guys know if UK 100 sells like before DAX and takes out a major low, that could really cause me to have a different opinion on DAX after that. But we have 9 minutes. We're chilling. We can sit back, talk a little bit. What are you guys up to? Where's everyone chatting? Where are you guys at? Is everybody hiding? We had an amazing week so far. You guys are quiet. Hope you guys been here. I know a lot of you guys are probably just tuning in. And if you are, I mean, amazing. Thank you. But you got to be here every single day. Because yesterday was amazing. The day before that was amazing. Today's going to be amazing. Just saying. But I like UK 100 a lot more, guys. Where the fuck? Anyone looking at anything else? I was looking at this GA trade. I did not get in just because of the time that price did decide to play out. But we did have a really nice reaction off of this area here. Sold off pretty nicely. Had a pullback, but I think price is going to bound to continue going. I just, again, wasn't during my time. And yes, I entered during Asia when it comes to GJ, but GA, no. Again, it's just data. Data. What's up, Keon? It's popping. You ready to win tonight? I'm ready. We're looking good, guys. I mean, I think we can get a good push here. And with price not having any gaps sitting in here, I mean, yes, you could have stops up here to play it really safe. But as price opens, let's say we don't come any higher than this and price just kind of starts ranging down and then sells, I would be comfortable having tighter stops at that point. Just because price, realistically, price should not come up unless price is going to remove up the entire session or we're just getting faked out. But again, if price were to push here, really no reason to come back up unless it does end up creating that gap within that opening candle. Like obviously depending on where it opens too. Been on gold since New York session. Hell yeah. I'm thinking of GJ buys after a little pullback. Let's peep it. So GJ buys. I had missy sells. This shit, you guys know I was crashing out the other day because of this shit. Price missed by 2 points and then dumped to my TP. Literally. Crazy. But price is running back up. And again, I removed limits just because I knew once price sold and took a majority of this liquidity, we probably weren't going to see price run any longer. I mean, we could have, but in this case, I think price may go a little bit higher. I think pullbacks are inevitable. Even if price continues higher, you're still able to capitalize on that pullback. Again, even if price continues lower, you're still able to capitalize on that pullback. That's why I love pullbacks, is because I just, again, if you can learn how to trade pullbacks, fucking solid. But I'm liking sales, guys. Again, you guys can feel free to enter DAX. I don't think I'll enter DAX. It would suck if DAX was the winner and UK 100 was the loser. But in this case, I have I like UK 100 a lot more. Again, we have low sitting down here with a lot of liquidity. Yes, there's still a lot of liquidity down here. Again, you guys have to picture it in the sense of price clearly bought up from this area. So there's clearly people sitting here with orders, right? So still a good target. Still could end up catching that. But again, if price sells off pre-London too, we're not getting in, at least on DAX, right? But we'll see. We have this next candle. We have 5 more minutes and we'll see. Tired. Fuck. Again, if you guys just hopped in here, we're doing a giveaway, but giveaway will only happen if you guys get me to 9,000 followers on Instagram. So go and shoot me a follow if you want to not necessarily be in the giveaway, but for the giveaway to even happen. That's my Instagram if you want to go follow it. About at 9K. Only like 12 followers away, so it's really not much. Uh, 6 likes. Like it up, guys. 34 of you in here. Come on. Limit for UK 100? Possibly. I have not yet. And again, I think price is too far away to really like, again, this is the reason I have been a little bit more hesitant with limits, is being that when price is somewhat close, sometimes you'll see price sell pre-London open. And again, I do not like seeing that. And there's been times where limits enter me in. And again, I do not want to see price sell pre-London. But in this case, I don't think that'll happen. I'm just waiting for, again, probably like 2 minutes, and I'll set a limit on UK 100. Probably not DAX. I think, again, I'm just going to watch DAX. If I enter DAX, maybe on another account, or again, I just might watch it. So, but feel free to take it. Again, I always tell you guys, I'm always going to preach this. Just use me as a guide. Seriously, come in here with your own plan, your own system. I'm your second opinion. If I have the same analysis as you, perfect. Let's shoot together. Let's win together. If I don't, still shoot. You know, I could be wrong. Buys could end up taking place. You guys never know. Again, it's fucking trading at the end of the day. Sorry to cuss, but price could end up pushing bullish at open, and I'm fine with that. I'm fine with that. I mean, we've had a great week so far. No problem to rush it. Yeah, spread can fuck you over, but it's also that price in general will just like sometimes come down unexpectedly, like an unexpected amount. Like example right here, let's say I had limit set, and let's say price continues to dump, comes down pre-London, takes this. I do not like that anymore. Why? Because I'm now seeing it as a liquidity sweep to possibly run higher. I'm not saying I won't possibly still look to get in, maybe on DAX if it still opens bearish, but again, this is a pretty good example already as why I wouldn't set limits, because I'm not looking to enter right now. I mean, price could sell. Okay, price could sell pre-market, and it could continue to sell, and I could be missing out on something big. Like, what the fuck is that? About to crash out. But like I was saying, even if it does win, I'm not really going to crash out. But even if it does end up winning, it just tells me going back into data, because again, even if I don't take this, I'm going to put into data. Even if I don't take DAX, I'm going to put into data if it ends up winning. Why? Because, or even if it ends up losing, because I want to know if in the future I'm going to be able to enter pre-market, or if it's just a no-go because it's not worth it based on how much I win versus I lose when it comes to entering pre-market. Again, I don't enter it in general, but again, getting data on it could be key, because things could change. You know, there could be entries pre-market that I'm missing out on, because who's not to say price continues bearish here, and this was just this was just a hint at what the opening was going to do. In this case, I don't necessarily think that's what it is. Again, the opening could end up flipping totally fucking bullish and running. That's fine. As for DAX, I'm kind of contemplating DAX now. Like, as far as entering, UK 100 is already fucked. UK 100 is already fucked. It sucks. It's FTSE and DAX. FTSE and DAX. But UK 100, I mean, it might be a W day as far as the analysis being correct. But am I going to act on it? I don't know yet. I'm in DAX. Fuck it. I'm gonna shoot. I'm shooting DAX, guys. Could be in and out. I'm already at break even, and I'll explain why. But I'm at break even. If we get taken out, we get taken out. I'm taken out at break even. That's fine. The only reason I'm out of break even so fast, and the reason I move so fast, look at UK 100. One. Again, price may end up shooting off here, and I may lose on a win. I'm fine with that. Lost nothing. Took major liquidity here. UK 100 had a massive bullish reaction. I did not like that. I did not at all. Moved to break even instantly. If we end up taking out a break even, is a break even day. I still catch as a win. Hopefully you guys are still in it. Again, price could still end up selling off. It is what it is. I'll use it as data. But did not like that instant reaction off UK 100, as well as the reaction we got as soon as we swept those lows. So again, but this could be data going forward that I should have just stayed in. But get TP. No, yeah, I mean, you guys could be out here. Oh, what the fuck? It's already at 101. Okay, yeah. W day. Yeah, my bad. W. That sucks because price is tanking, but I mean, can't do much. Called it to you guys. Called it to you guys. Hope you guys took it. I moved to break even. It is what it is. But where I may crash out is if price it tanks all the way down here, which we could see. Why? Because again, look at the higher time frames. I mean, we're bound to sell. So beautiful. Another W day. What can I say? UK 100, again, this is why I do not like seeing price sell pre-market. It treats it as a fucking liquidity sweep. Don't crash out, Nolani. You might see a major crash out. No, I'm just kidding. Guys, I have no problem with that. I'm already up on the week pretty fucking heavy. It is what it is. Break even. So how to play it, how I felt. And again, that's why I say come in here with your own trading plan, your own system. Because, again, I hope you guys were able to capitalize on this. If you didn't, okay. You know, but I don't want you guys to necessarily follow my plans based on my, you know, my experience in the market told me something else, and I don't want my experience to necessarily lead you the wrong way. I'm not saying, obviously, I'm not saying my fucking analysis is horrible, but I just did not like that reaction. Again, also being how we saw UK 100 sell pre-market gave me the idea that price could open bullish and manipulate. Could open bullish on UK 100 and manipulate price on DAX to do the same thing. Again, they don't always do the same thing, but a lot of times they will, or at least have the similar reactions. Therefore, obviously, you don't want to fucking be stupid and, you know, take a dumb play, right? Because there's been times where, even yesterday, let's go back to yesterday real quick, guys. And this is why I moved to break even yesterday as well on DAX. Where the fuck is that? Here. So we took these sells yesterday, guys. If you guys were here, you guys caught these with me. Beautiful fucking sells. Caught these sells. As soon as price took this low here, and we had that type of reaction, one, I told you we're going to have this type of reaction. But I also told you that once we see this types of reaction on UK 100, we'll tend to see it on DAX as well. And that could honestly fuck up your trade. So let's go to DAX yesterday. Look what happened at DAX yesterday. What time is this? 30. This is at 12:30 at night. 12:30. As soon as we get a reaction at this point, we see a similar reaction here. I'm moving to break even. Why? Because one, there's no gaps above for price to even come into and fill. So therefore, if price came up at that point, it's just going to be invalid. Again, that's just understanding simple price action, or order flow, I guess you could say. But again, UK 100 had an effect where we saw price sweep a major area liquidity, react in a bullish manner, saw some similarities on DAX, but I was able to close because of my analysis on UK 100. So therefore, still had a positive day. In this case, a different story, obviously. But again, let's look at DAX. DAX could flip here. DAX could have just been seeking more liquidity to then push higher with UK 100. Or we could do the opposite thing today. Either one. But I'm happy. Obviously, I could have made a fuck ton of money. I mean, yeah. But at least we didn't lose money. Or at least I didn't lose money. I know Jocko. I know a lot of you guys fucking bagged out. Jocko, did you take the trade? Hold on, guys. Did you take the trade, Jocko? Give me 1 second. Solid. Trying to put a fucking Zen in, man. Oh my gosh. Someone's getting knocked the fuck out because I didn't make money today. Nah. I backed out, not gonna lie. Stacking racks. This is the thing. This is fucking this is major league scalping right now. That's why I had a pack of fucking Zen. Like it's some MLB shit. This is major league scalping. I'm gonna start calling it that. That's gonna be the title of the stream. Major league scalping with Nick's London session. Why? Because again, it's second decisions. Second. And again, you guys saw I moved to break even within a matter of 2 or 3 seconds that I was in the trade based on a reaction I saw. And yes, technically price didn't necessarily react in the way I thought it was going to. Got me out of break even and ran in my direction. That's fine. But it's the fact of the matter is you have to make these split second decisions. That's why I tell you guys, come in here with your own plan, your own system. Even if you don't have your own plan, your own system, ask me a question, ask me what my plan and system is, watch me for a couple trades, watch me for a couple streams. Again, I do the same thing every fucking day, guys. It is the same textbook fucking breakouts, and I'm only cussing because at this point, you guys should at least have an idea of what I'm doing. And again, I can't expect you to have the market experience I have to where you're able to make these calls super quick, again, like yesterday, where you move to break even because you see another market reacting in a certain manner that isn't good for DAX. Therefore, you have to make that 5-second decision before price reverses on the other pair. Again, major league scalping, my guy. So, biggest thing, come back tomorrow stacking racks, and let's shoot. Again, tomorrow may be a loss, but that's a game. I don't think it will be. If we have a run a win streak all week, because we're already on a win streak. A lot of you guys have won way more trades than I have. Monday, I called 2 wins. Did not take them due to news. A lot of you guys did. Yesterday, 2 wins. I took one. I was able to win. I got out at break even on another one that ended up hitting TP. Today, W, I got out at break even. You guys should have won. Not necessarily should have. Get it for following me. I get it. But I feel you, but I normally trade by myself. Yeah, I get that. You know, so that's where it can be hard. Like, I've never been a fan myself of taking signals. Never. I hate signals. Live streams, iffy. It's a little bit better, but it is hard to gain your trust in the sense of you doing the same thing as me until I can prove to you that I'm obviously have results. But I mean, like, you can ask anyone that's been in the chat for the last 2-3 months. I mean, a loss comes on a rare occasion. And when it does, usually that loss is followed by 4 wins right after, like that. 3 or 4 wins. Usually we hop right back on a win streak, and we are. So, and then we're going to continue it tomorrow. But guys, get my fucking Instagram to 9,000 followers so I can give away an account. Hold on. I'm going to pull up my Instagram. Well, I can't type. Get me to... Oh, we're close. 4 followers away. No, 6. I can't do math. I can. But... I've been in here 2 weeks. Chewy, last week was a tough week to be here. Before that, man, whew. Again, last week was my worst week by far, and it still wasn't even a bad week. We're already chilling. Still up on the month by a fuck ton, man. Gonna end this. I could lose the rest of this week and still end this month solid. I swear to God. But that's why I say be here every single day, because if you're taking my trades, and this is why I don't like signals, is because when it comes to signals, you have to take every single trade that person sends out if you want to have or replicate the same exact win rate as they have. Even then, it may be a little bit hard, because by the time they close and they send a signal for you to close, or whatever it may be, if it's like a last minute close, you know, like, again, last second decision, you're going to be fucked over. Like, you're not going to have the same win rate as them, and that's where signals is hard. Live is way better, because I'm live with you, guiding you, telling you when I'm going to enter. DAX was a last minute decision, but I liked how price opened massively bearish, and I was willing to shoot. So, and you can see price. Oh. Dude, this is not okay. I'm out. Thanks. Jocko, how much you fucking make? I want to know. It's not going to piss me off. Don't worry. I'll keep the cool. Even though I could have made shit ton, I'll let you bask in your glory today, Jocko. I won't talk shit, because I love you. No gay shit. It was brutal for me, Chewy. Yeah. It was brutal for you. I mean, if you were here taking trades with me, I get it. There was price action in general. What the fuck? Who accessed my trading view account? Weird. Pre-crash out? Might be. My boy Jocko just bagged out $3,000. I love that. Oh, so happy. No, like, I genuinely am happy. I know that sounds like fucking dick shit to say. No, I'm genuinely happy, but I wish I could have followed on that train with you. Sadly, just got out break even. Again, I'm not mad at it, guys. The thing that I'm not necessarily mad about, but to anyone, it's a little bit obviously like, ugh, when you see a price go your direction after taking out or going to break even, or even not taking a trade. Again, if you guys didn't take this and this happened, again, I'm probably somewhat understanding what you're feeling. I don't care as much as you, most likely, but again, data. Price could have done the exact thing that I expected it to do. Again, obviously I expected it to sell because I got into sells, but I just did not like the initial reaction that UK100 presented us. But again, data. Why is it data? Because now I can go back, take a picture of both of these, go into my journal. Again, if you guys want my journal, join my Discord or go to my Instagram. Have a free journal. I use it every single day. Gonna go back into my journal. What am I gonna put in there? Can someone answer that? Probably won't. But what I'm going to put in there is that price, yes, had opposite reactions today, but DAX still moved to my analysis. DAX still moved to the T. I'm going to go back, see if there was other factors that could have played into UK 100 doing this versus DAX doing that. Because again, we tend to see them move similarly. But again, data can later show me that in cases like this where I'm seeing an opposite reaction UK 100, maybe not make me jump to conclusions or jump to a mindset of price is going to reverse because UK 100 is. And again, in most cases it will. So that's why I played it as such, but data could prove otherwise as the year goes on. So that's why I always promote my Discord. Yeah, I'll shoot you. If you guys aren't in my Discord, I have a free Discord. I post everything in here. Fuck. Not like anything, right? So I post everything in here. Well, if you guys don't know, I trade Forex originally, so I don't post any indices in here, but I actually am going to start this week, posting indice breakdowns. I usually break down every trade I take when it comes to Forex, but I literally have not taken a trade since fucking then. I have not taken a Forex trade since this shit. Okay, Forex has just been slow, so that's why I've been trading indices. But go ahead, join up. Let me copy this shit again. Got a bunch of people in there. Chat's always active. So feel free to go in there, ask questions. There's a lot of people in there who already know how to trade and are just absolutely killing it every single day. So if I don't answer, which I always answer you guys, but there's just people just absolutely running it up in here. Kid you not, so many people just running it up. And some people learning too. So if you're learning, hop in there, ask questions. I'd love to help out. And that's why I'm here, guys. Like, I'm just helping you guys out. I'm trading. I'm doing my thing. I'm trading my plan. I'm doing everything I need to do to be the successful trader I know I am. And I'm just here to kind of guide you guys. So join up, ask me questions. I'll be in there. If I see any ideas, again, I was looking at GJ. Let's go to one screen. Fuck this bullshit. Again, I was looking at GJ the other day. And this is where I said I missed out on these sells. Didn't necessarily miss out, but price just did not pull into my area of interest. Missed it by, I kid you not, probably like 2 points. About 3 or 4. And then just sold off. Okay. GA, again, today did not enter this trade. Just not a bad time that price came into my area of interest. A lot of times you'll see price kind of just treat this area as liquidity when it comes in at that time. And we could still see that. It could be a fake out and just getting sellers in. But Forex has not been the best. But indices, killing it. Can't lie. Beautiful trades, guys. I mean, there's nothing more for me to say. There's really not. Beautiful day. Let's see. Did we get there? Did we get to 9K? 5 more followers. 5 more followers. Oh no. All these G's following me. All you amazing people. Absolutely amazing. 31 of you guys. 10 of you guys left and didn't even know there's a giveaway. Because who's not to say, even if I don't hit 9K, I'm still giving away a fucking account possibly. You know why? Because I'm like that. And 2, it's a W day. Jocko made $3,000 today. I know so many other people. Rice Ninja, here's the thing. That was my fear. I followed you on like 5 accounts. Keon, you're a G for that. You're a fucking G. You'll be blessed one day for that. Trust me. But whoever joined my server, you're a go-to. My guy said 1. What? All we need is 5 spam accounts. Just go start making accounts, guys. No, I'm just kidding. I think we'll hit it anyways. I've been getting followers pretty consistent. Like within the minutes. Just because, again, if you guys haven't been following me, if you do follow me, go like my most recent reel. It's kind of popping off right now. So I want it to continue to pop off. Go like, go comment, do whatever you got to do. Be a G. Let's run it up. We're running it up. Guys, beautiful. Again, got off the phone about an hour before stream with Luca. He said, kill it today, G. I said, bro, you don't have to say that shit no more, Luca. Like, you should already know I'm gonna come on stream and fucking kill it. Rice Ninja, that's possibly timeout. you might get put on timeout for that and not be able to participate. I'm kidding. But boyfriend is crazy. But the fact that I was going to ask who you talking about is even crazier, because I'm thinking either top songs, cartoony, who else? What other fucking Casper? Nah, Casper's cool. What's up, Casper? I just saw you. Rice Ninja moving like cartoony. Dude, what if Rice Ninja is cartoony? What if like cartoony just don't want to show his face near and just like made a different account? Guys, what's price at? See, I had a feeling price was going to run down deep. I thought it was going to run down way deeper on UK 100, just because, again, we have not manipulated those lows and just looks so beautiful. But let's see what happened. Let's see what could have happened. What I'm thinking potentially is that price just was, I mean, clearly it was not fucking ready to sell off. But if we go back and look within this range, if we were to say, not even then. Like, there's no real room for price to pull back. Like, unless price is continuing its bullish order flow, facilitating this pullback. But my thing was, we're sitting inside this bearish leg. We're sitting inside this bearish range, facilitated this pullback, started shooting down. Would have been nicer is obviously seeing breaks of these lows, but I inferred that price should continue to run down. But I was asking because Cartini been real quiet. Dude, he might have got drafted. We don't know where he's at. I was gonna make a joke, but nah. I don't know where Cartoon's at. He'll probably text me later and be like, I missed stream. He's like, sorry, bro, I missed stream. I'd be like, wow, bro, like, come on, dude. It was another fucking banger day. Trackstars LZ, you're a goat. Jacob, I know you're in here. It's either Jacob or... What's your brother's name? I feel like fucking... Why am I forgetting? I know it's on top of my head. I swear you told me. Oh, you didn't. Well, if either Jacob or his little cousin, you guys are goats. You guys are goats. Oh, we gotta have lunch soon. Gotta have lunch. I'm gonna be out in Dago tomorrow. Gonna be busy. Like, actually, fuck. I think I'm free later at night with Luca, but we're doing some pretty big things in the morning, so I don't know if that's gonna affect later on. We gotta get lunch. I know he said, I know you hit him up for lunch the other day, and he was busy, and he was like, "Yeah, we gotta run lunch again," because I'm really trying to. Sometimes you just get caught up. We got to. What are we at? Let's check the Instagram. What's gonna come up? Oh my god, I'm scared. Ooh, clean. Guys, 3 away. 3 away, guys. Crazy. Come on, guys. 3 more followers, and we're running it up instantly. Running an account. Maybe 2. We'll see. But I appreciate guys. Who got this trade? I'm so glad that a lot of you were still, or I assume a lot of you, I know Jocko was for sure. I know a couple other people whose DM me were able to capitalize on this trade. I love that, man. This markup looks so simple today. Almost looks too simple, does it not? I feel like this markup just looks too, like, straight off of fucking trader's textbook. Knicks would have been crashing right by now if Cartoon was on here. Dude, he probably would have rage baited me, and I really would have. It's not that I would not have had it today. Actually, I'm in a good mood. I'm always in a good mood, guys. It's rare when you catch me in a bad mood. You know why? Because it's all about your mindset. Always in a good mood. But he rage baits me sometimes. I follow trade mostly NQ, but your analysis is good. Hell yeah. Yeah, I mean, again, if you guys are just in here just chilling, see my analysis, again, feel free to just come in here, backtest, chill, talk, ask questions. Again, when it comes to NQ, I don't trade NQ, but I would take a similar approach as far as just looking for previous session manipulation, previous day manipulation, previous week manipulation, as well as where are we at within the range? Are we looking to continue price into a week low? Are we looking to capitalize on a pullback into an area of premier discount? Same concepts, but I've heard NQ is a little bit chopped. Sometimes it's a little bit different. I know people who take a little bit of a different approach. There's a reason I don't trade NQ, and it's because, again, UK 100 DAX London session just moves so much cleaner to me than NQ. I cut 1 to 2 on DAX. Fuck yeah. Fire. Run it up to 899 and then massive unfollow. Rice Ninja, don't give them ideas, because here's the thing. People would probably do that fuck shit, dude. But I wouldn't be mad, because then it tells me I've gotten to a point where my own chat control me. And I used to watch people where their chat would troll them. That would just make me happy. You guys already make me happy as it is. I'm not that confident on DAX taking more than a 101. I don't know why. Same, Keon. But guys, I'm always going to go back to data, because I kid you not, and I can't stress it enough. Everybody that has joined the mentorship that I teach with Luca, once I instill into their mind that data is the fucking king, other than a couple of psychology aspects, their entire trading changes. Why? Because now they're able to, one, they have a system. They're actually getting good data based off of their system, because not all data is good data, right? If you're just getting bullshit fucking data, have no system, it's not going to do you any good. But in this case, let's use myself as an example. I have a system. It is what it is. You guys know I only like 101s as well, because I know that price a lot of times will just push with initial volume, take 101s, take liquidity, and possibly push the other way. I just like those small moves. But in this case, where price did run for 1 to 2, 1 to 3, this is where data comes in. I'm going to go back. I'm going to mark this trade up, obviously, because I entered it, got out at break even. But I'm also going to note down that price ran for 1 to 2, 1 to 3. Why did it do this? Is there any other factors that could have, if I would have stayed in the trade, that could have let me run a 1 to 2? Is there not any other factors that would have allowed me to? Is it just a one-time occurrence? Because again, like, this could be a one-time occurrence where price could have done this, ran for that 101. I mean, just look at this last candle. Look at this. Okay, let's fucking go back a little bit more. Look at this candle right here. This candle came down, swept us low, took liquidity. It realistically could have flipped from here. It could have, but obviously price is seeking more liquidity or seeking to do something else. That's why I continue to sell off. But this is why 101s too are also crucial. And this is why data is so crucial, is because you need to see, based off data, does price hit more 101s? Does it run for 1 to 2s, more 1 to 3s? Again, all comes down to data. Obviously, in this case, around a 1 to 2, but tomorrow may only want to run a 1. And if we go hold for 1 to 2, we could end up taking a loss. You guys know what I'm saying. I'm just ranting at this point. Watch Luca. I'm in San Diego County. Watch Luca. I'm in San Diego County. Wait, what? You're in San Diego County? Oh, yeah. Fake out in the follows. Don't fucking tell me. Yo! I didn't even get to see it. Someone unfollow. One person unfollow. I need it at 9,000. I need it at 9,000. Actually, no one go unfollow. I'm kidding. Too many of you are going to be the ones that unfollow, and then I'm going to go under. Don't unfollow. Obviously, let's run up a giveaway, guys. We're running it up. Give me 1 second, chat. Give me un segundo. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Wow, guys. You guys are the best. Let me just say that. Let's all unfollow. No. Let's run up a giveaway, guys. You motherfuckers. Definitely unfollowed. Well, I'm going to watch it go back down. I'll be sad after stream, but let's run this giveaway, guys. Let's run up this giveaway. Hope you guys didn't know, Luca just dropped a new podcast with Jade Cap. Please go watch it, guys. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Where the fuck? Okay. All right. Are we ready? Do you guys know how to enter the giveaway? First, I probably should have moved that away from me, but let's get it. Let's go over a little rundown. One, I'm about to invite you to Luca's Discord. If you guys aren't already in Luca's Discord, join up. I'm posting it in chat. All you have to do is join up. Once you're in, you might want to right click and make sure that you're showing all channels. Even if you're already in, make sure that you're showing all channels first so you can see the giveaway channel that's at the bottom in the general section. Right now, I'm going to post a link in this giveaway section. Oh, I forgot to do it, guys. Okay. 9K. Wait. I don't like this. What the fuck happened? Is it this one? Why does it look different than usual? Guys, I don't like this. Duration, 5 minutes. 10K account. Total winners 1. Does it work like that? Well, that's crazy. Why the fuck did they change this, guys? I'm sorry to cuss, but it did not look like this before. Oh. 5M? What the fuck? Prize name 10K. Total winners 1. We'll do 2 giveaways, guys. We'll just do 1 by 1. I think it's a little bit more fun. But we have 5 minutes, so what the fuck? Why'd I do that? Fuck. Next one will be 1 minute. So now, guys, all you have to do is go and press enter giveaway to enter the giveaway. There's already 4 of you guys in there. Again, join the Discord in the link in the chat. Go on to the giveaway section. All you have to do is scroll down, press it, and you'll see this right here. All you have to do is press enter. It'll enter you in. You'll be randomly chosen by the system, and then we'll go from there. So we'll kind of hide it away, see what's happening on DAX, see if I have to crash out anymore. Actually, it's refresh this. Okay, we're good. Still one of you motherfuckers don't follow me. I don't like that shit. Coming for you. Coming for you. Hell yeah, guys. You guys are fucking amazing. 10K is just around the corner. Honestly, I'm going to hit it next month for sure. If my reel doesn't just continue to blow up, and then I'll probably hit it within like a week or 2. But hell yeah. Join up the Discord if you guys are joining in. Again, giveaway 14 of you guys in there. There should be 28 people unless there's some of you guys lurking. I know some people who like to lurk and just watch me. I know you love me. I know it. I know. What happened to all my chatters? I said giveaway, everybody went quiet, and they're just waiting the 4 minutes until they see if they won. What if I like last minute ended stream but like, oh shit, crashed. Sorry guys, no giveaway. Do I watch NBA? Sorry, Keon, I missed your message. Keon, I do watch NBA. Actually, no, I don't. I can't say that. I rarely. If I'm at the gym and I'm walking and it's on in front of me, I'll watch it. I'm more of a baseball, football person, but even then, I don't find myself going out of the way to click on the game and watch it, unless it's like a very important Rams game. I'm trading on both, Keon. Live and funded. But I was talking about this the other day, guys. As these minutes go down for the giveaway, should we do an Apex account, guys? Should we? I really, really want to. I really want to. My only thing is the rules, guys. The fucking rules. Fucking rules. You guys know how Apex is. "26 years. I'm about to give you guys 2 10K accounts, and you guys are leaving. Are you guys not grateful? Okay. No, I know a lot of you guys are grateful. I wish I could give an account to all 16 of you, but you know. But what's the difference? What do you mean what's the difference? Like as far as Apex, I can't say for sure because I haven't looked too much into the rules. I remember looking at the rules a while back, and all I remember is it being fucked. But you just hear all around, it's just Apex has way more strict rules, and it makes sense why like majority of the time their accounts are 80% off. It's because their rules are so fucked that you're just bound to lose. Straight up, you are. I'm not going to beat around the bush. That's probably every prop firm, but some prop firms genuinely have way better rules than Apex. So, banger long on gold. I'm missing it. 2 minutes, guys. Enter. 2 minutes. We may do another giveaway though. Hold on. Sorry. Low-key fire. Yeah. Honestly, I could see price coming up manipulating these highs. I'm not saying price can't continue to run. I definitely could see price continuing to run. It's gold at the end of the day. I don't deal with gold, but I could see then price manipulating these highs and running back into here. About to make like 20 Discord accounts. Maybe I'll do a giveaway another day, and we'll just do like multiple giveaways this week. We'll see. But 48 seconds, we'll see who wins. You guys know how the process goes. Once you win, just shoot me a DM, and then probably from there we'll end it. 70 pips lucky. Fire trade, guys. Fire fucking trade. Oh, the fire buys. Fire buys. I can't lie. I probably would have taken these. My only thing is I wouldn't know where to enter here on gold. I wouldn't know. And maybe I go down to the 1 minute and I can find entry, unless I was entering further down. But that's why I really just stay away from gold, because when I see DAX do simple shit like this, where we clearly come up, run some liquidity, again, just running Asia highs and New York highs from yesterday, and then coming back down, opening with bearish volume, breaking a good area of support, and having liquidity down below to seek and target, I'm not going to go away from this pair or this indice. I'm not going to, if I need to trade gold, I will trade gold. Who won? Stacking racks. I guess you won because you didn't take the trade today. And that's that universe saying, look, you're still a winner at heart, even though you didn't take the trade with us today. Stacking racks. Shoot me a DM. Again, just shoot me a DM. I'll respond to you. Congrats to you. Again, if you guys didn't win, it's okay. It's okay. Rice Ninja, I know. It's okay, Rice Ninja. Calm down. Okay, I'm kidding. But in all seriousness, if you guys didn't win, don't get it twisted. For FX, don't seriously, just be back. I do giveaways randomly sometimes, where it's just like, okay, maybe a giveaway today, I'm just feeling like it. Sometimes there's not. Sometimes, I mean, the giveaway in general is me giving you guys amazing fucking trades and amazing streams to you guys, for you guys to learn off of, truly. But do one more for the fun of it. Should I do one more? Should I? I don't know. For the jokes. You guys convinced me. Yeah, you guys really, you guys really convinced me. All right. Do it for the 9K. Okay. I guess 2 minutes. Let's go. 2 minutes. Let's see how everyone join back up. Hope you guys didn't leave. Bro, Knicks is easy. Okay. Edgar, you're not winning. If it says Edgar right now, instant disqualification. Instant. Knicks is easy is crazy. That's actually insane. I'm not going to deny it, but I'm not going to say I'm easy, because that's just fucked. But you sent me a 5-4 Latina. I'm not going to deny that I may be easy. And okay, that's crazy. I know there's people watching me that they're like shaking their head right now. Been a crazy week. It has been a crazy week. Damn. SMH for real. Edgar knows what I'm talking about. Chat, clip that and send it to Luca. Dude, here's the thing. Luca will be like, that's my boy. Or if you send that to Luca, he'll probably be like, I know. That's Knicks. Luca knows me, guys. Guys, don't forget to enter, again, the giveaway. There's 31 of you guys in here. It's literally 41 seconds. All you have to do is join the Discord. Let me send it one more time. You have a couple seconds. Join the Discord real quick. Go down to giveaways. Press enter giveaway. You'll be entered for a 10K account. We'll see what happens. Plenty of 5-4 Latinas in San Diego. You're 1,000% correct, John. 1,000% correct. Now we only clip Zesty Knicks. Yeah. I don't know why. I have probably some really funny clips, but you guys clip super sus shit, and I'm not even trying to be sus. That's just like caught off guard, just doesn't look good on me, and then you guys clip it. It's all about them emo girls. Edgar, that's what he knows. Fru is gonna be happy, guys. I know all the rest of you aren't, but Fru's gonna be happy. Guys, Rue W, DM me again, guys. I should already have one message request. Wait, was Stack and Racks in here? Stack and Racks, are you in here? Well, if Stack and Racks don't DM me, then it is what it is. Maybe I'll come back tomorrow and do another giveaway. But winner right now for FX. Oh, Stack and Racks, there you are. Stack and Racks, you know you won too, right? You know you won, right? Does he know he won? Or am I tripping? He thinks Rax is Ninja. Second Rax, you won the first one, so go ahead and DM me, unless you don't want it. If you don't want it, that's by all means just say that. And where'd I DM you? Okay, guys, if you guys want to DM me, just go to Luca's Discord, and anywhere in the announcements, you can scroll up and you'll see my name. Just Nicks. Go up to announcements, go up to, I also have my educators channel down here where you can just find my name. Go ahead, DM me. I just didn't expect to win, so I don't know how to react. Nah, like I didn't expect you to react, but I just wanted you to know that you won. Just because I want you to DM me to be able to get your account. So feel free to DM me again, educators, or just go up to announcements and click my name. Again, super, super simple. Where the fuck did I go? Super simple, and then you can just write. Can you DM me? You guys should be able to DM me. I've had people DM me before, so you guys should be able to. But W stream, guys, amazing. Again, 1 and 2 called. Beautiful. Prices still continue to drop. I mean, you can trail stop loss in this case. Again, you'd probably want to be trailing at this high and just really, I mean, you really could be letting it run. Siri, play Run It Up by Chef G. I'm going to play music after the stream, definitely. I'm going to run it up. I'm going to fucking chill here. Go crazy. Thanks for the giveaway. Again, if you guys did not win the giveaway, be here. 1, the remainder of the week, because we're going to continue to win. We're on a win streak. We're going to continue to kill it. 2, go ahead and hand over here if you don't want it. Quist, again, don't worry. Be back, guys. I'm going to continue to give away counts, and I'm telling you guys now, within the next, or okay, I'm not going to tell you guys, but there's going to continue to be count giveaways no matter what. I'm not going to say every stream, at least not yet, but majority of the stream. So let's kill it, guys. Maybe even Luca will do. Again, I'll be in San Diego tomorrow with Luca. Maybe I'll convince him to do another giveaway on stream tomorrow. That's an incentive for you to join up New York. Maybe he'll do it. Maybe not. We'll see. He probably will. But appreciate you guys. You guys are amazing. Again, you guys are awesome. Hope you guys caught this trade. Jocko made $3,000. I know a bunch of you guys made money. I got out at break even, but still W day, still W trade. And we're still on a win streak, and we're still going to keep killing it, guys. I'm telling you. Where Luca used to do them all the time. I know. Which country do the accounts work? Only USA. I don't think it's only USA, no. They are Clarity accounts, but so you'd have to go to Clarity and see, like, depending on where you'll see. If you can use Clarity, you should be good. But guys, beautiful trade, beautiful day. Thank you guys for 9K. You guys are fucking awesome. Awesome. I'm telling you guys. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.